Hey guys, it's World War II reenactor here. Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my turtle helmet. So, let's get to unboxing. I don't have a knife with me today. I'm going to try to open it with my fingers. I'm so sorry I haven't been uploading in a while. I have been super busy this week. But this video is going to actually be two videos combined together, because I'm going to do a channel update after I get this opened up. See how it looks. Come closer. Alright, so we got all this foam or bubbles right here. Light color kit. That is in there. More foam stuff. And here is the helmet, and look at that. Wow, this is in really good condition. Really lightweight too. Man, I've been waiting so long. Oh, he got a letter for me. Alright guys, there is the helmet, and look at that. Isn't that awesome? This is a P-44 turtle helmet, but it's dated 1952, but it was made in 1944, and they used this in the Korean War. Let's try it on real quick. I don't know how to put this on. I think it's this way. Does that look good? Mm-hmm. Right, I'm going to go check this out real quick. Okay guys, this is the helmet right here. I already showed you it, but I'm just going to prop it up right there for a minute. And I didn't show you this, guys, but I did order an original 1944 British upper pack. You can't see the canvas on it because it's just caked in this. I don't know if that's gunpowder or dirt or what, but it's caked in it. If you open it up though, you can see the canvas color inside here, but it's just seen its better days. But it's still really cool because it's original. So yeah, that's basically all my new stuff that I got, but now I'm going to do the update. Okay guys, I'm ready for the update. Now that I got changed, my brand new turtle helmet, I love it so far. Looks amazing. Got my British tunic, and we're going to be talking about some of the new updates I'm going to be putting on here. So I'm going to be making some metal detecting videos. It's not going to be World War II metal detecting or anything, but it's going to be metal detecting to give you guys something to watch while I'm taking a little break from World War II stuff. Because right now I've just been super busy and I haven't been able to make any World War II videos. This is the only one that I was able to do recently. So yeah, so I'm going to take a little break from World War II stuff and you know, get time to get all my gear and everything ordered, and then whenever I get all my stuff, you know, I'll make videos about that. But yeah, that's the first update we're doing. And the second one, I'm going to start doing airsoft, and once I get all my gear, I'm going to start making airsoft videos with me and my friends. Unfortunately though, they aren't going to have any World War II gear, so I'm going to come into the battlefield with my World War II British gear and surprise them all, so that'll be cool. And for my third update, this isn't really an update, this is just a little reminder to watch my next video I'm going to be putting out when I get 10 subscribers. I'm going to do a 10 subscriber special where I go into Walmart wearing my World War II Russian gas mask. And I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, but every time I go to show it to you guys, it's not in here. It's actually in my van, which I can't go out and get right now, or else I would, but I can't. So yeah, those are basically all the updates. Yeah, if I get any more in, I'll make sure to tell you guys in my next video. But yeah, for now, stay safe, and yeah, God bless. See you guys in our next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.